Hi, Kevin, Ian, Ryan, Greg, and Ben. I couldn't have created an all-male group if I had tried. So I let Blackboard randomly assign you to your teams. I want to say you guys did an excellent job. Wonderful job unpacking the case. Before I even listened to your presentation, my anticipation was on high because you were able to generate such a meaningful discussion on the discussion board around the ministerial exception and the vulnerability of lay teachers. So I knew I was in store for something good, and I was not disappointed. Your message map features a headline that really is clear about the back and forth that went on before the Supreme Court made a decision reversing and remanding the case. And so I like that idea of the volley. It creates a clear image of exactly what went on. This whole case, as you noted, has to do with what is the ministerial exception and how is it applied. And when you made your opening, I love the way your opening speaker set the stage for the classmates to really develop a comprehensive understanding of the basis for the claims. By doing that, you took the listener along with you on this educational journey, having a clear foundation for what it was you were getting ready to explain. Because there was so much back and forth, the presentation could have been murky, but you gentlemen did a wonderful job of clearly hitting it. And by unpacking it in a sequential manner, you just took your listener along the journey that the issue traveled through the legal system. Let's see, I'm looking at my notes down here. You had such clarity with regard to the what and why. And I think it was Justice Gorsuch. He talked about, as you referenced, the importance to defer to good faith claims of religious organizations when making the ministerial exception. But at the same time, as some of the individuals on the discussion board said, wow, I didn't know that kind of left me vulnerable. I read someone made reference to, coach minister, and how the contract, it specifies what your role is. And remember, in independent, non-public, private, religious schools, everything is deemed by that contract. You also did a good job in tying this case to Title VII and talking about the protections relative to discrimination against people because of race or sex. Let's see. Did I make any? I guess I can only give you so many accolades, but you did do an excellent job with this case. It's very clear that you have an understanding of the holding. You have an understanding not only of the what, but the why. And so I hope it's going to inform your thinking as you move forward as leaders in independent schools, and to have a good handle on explaining to everybody who is working for you in your school community what kinds of protections they are offered as a result of this holding. So keep up the good work, and I'll look forward to talking with you again soon. Take care.